Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create an area on the Gaia GPS application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should click on this plus icon in the upper right corner of the screen and tap on Create Area. Here you should tap on one of these points and you should drag it to one direction. And if you want to edit any of these points, just simply click on the pencil button and then tap on Name a Waypoint. You should type in the name of your waypoint and click on Save. As you can see now, it has been updated, so feel free to repeat these steps with the other points as well. So feel free to create your own area and rename the waypoints. So after you are ready with these steps, tap on the Save button in the upper right corner of the screen. Here you should edit or choose the title of your area. The second section is the Customize Appearance button. So here you can select from these colors. You can add it to a folder, so tap on Choose Folder, search for the folder to which you would like to save it or add it, or you can also create a new one by tapping on the Folder button in the upper right corner of this box, type in its name and tap on Save. You can also select who has access to it. You can set it to private or public, and you can also download maps as well. If you are done with selecting and adding all these information, tap on the Save button in the upper right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.